Hello dear children, once again welcome back to the class, and today's topic is revision part 4, third unit test, revision part 4, that is English grammar textbook, the lesson number 16, describing words, that is adjectives. So related to this topic I have given a revision part 4. Okay, so what is the adjective, children? Yes, just we will revise once. Yes, adjectives are a describing words. Okay, so it is a describing words. They tell us more about a noun or a pronoun, isn't it? So adjective verbs is nothing but it is a describing word. Adjectives are a describing words. So, and the next very important point is when an adjective tell us more about a noun, it mostly comes before it, isn't it? But only sometimes it comes after the nouns. So these all the points you should know very thoroughly. Okay, now let's start the class. So this is a continuation of the previous revision part 3. Okay, so here you can see a Roman number 5, right? Choose a suitable adjective for each noun. Okay, what is the heading, children? Choose suitable adjective for each noun. So adjectives means describing words. The first one, the sun is hot or cold. So which is the, both is a describing word or adjectives. So which is the suitable for that word, for that sentence, we have to choose. Okay, which is the suitable adjective for the sentence, we have to select. Okay, the second one, it is a dash day, clean or beautiful. Next, the soup tasted good or happy. A deep or tall well. Okay, a deep or tall well. Next, number 5, the fox was clever or cold. The fox was clever or cold. These mangoes are old or ripe. Okay, these mangoes are old or ripe. Next, the rabbit is a timid or bold animal. Okay, the rabbit is a timid or bold animal. The moon is cold or hot. Next one, the grass is green or red. Okay, see the adjectives and which is the suitable for the sentence we have to select. Right, children? Yes, the 10th one, a giraffe is a tall or short animal. A giraffe is a tall or short animal. Next, an elephant is a big or small animal. Okay, an elephant is a big or small animal. Next, number 12, my mother's hair is long or red. My mother's hair is long or red, which is the suitable adjective. The puppy is naughty or ripe. The puppy is naughty or ripe, which is the suitable verb. Which is the suitable adjective. Next, the apple is dash. White or red. The apple is white or red. The last one, there are 7 or 8 days in a week. There are 7 or 8 days in a week. So this is a part 5th one. Okay, Roman number 5th one. Here I have given total 15 questions. Okay, so now let's move to the next one, that is Roman number 6. Underline the adjectives in the sentences. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. Here you can see a total, I have given a 10 sentences. So you have to read the sentence first. Afterwards you have to underline the adjectives. Right, children? Yes, let's start the first one. It is a windy day. Okay, it is a windy day. So which is the describing word here, you have to see and you have to underline. Okay, that is an adjective. Next, the second one. This house is not big. It is a small. So in one sentence there may be a 2 adjectives, or in a 2 sentence there may be a 2 or more than 2 adjectives. You have to see, you have to read, and after that you have to underline. Next, She is a famous doctor. And the fourth one, this is a new car. And the fifth one, Jolly is my best friend. And the sixth one, the boy is not sad, he is happy. Okay. Next, the seventh one, the hill is not high, it is low. Okay. The eighth one, Rani is a fast runner. Rani is a fast runner. And the ninth one, that is a tall green tree. That is a tall green tree. And the 10th one, the girl had curly hair and was wearing a purple frock. Okay, the girl had curly hair and was wearing a purple frock. So here total I have given a 10 sentences. You need to read the sentence. After that, which is the adjective here, that adjective you have to underline. Okay, so your today's homework is you have to write the answers for the Roman number 5th and 6th one. Okay, here already have given in the bracket adjectives. So which is the suitable adjective for the noun. So you have to select and you have to write them. Okay, and here you have to underline the adjective. That is your today's homework. So you have to write revision part 4 in your classwork book neatly. So kindly read and write, children. Okay, so this will be a very helpful for your third unit test. Okay, so see you in the next class. Take care and bye bye and complete your homework. Thank you.